Hello friends, welcome to my creative, well-known, popular, unique educational channel to watch more creative videos on React.js. Yes, right now I'm thinking more about React.js. As we have gone through plenty of videos on React.js using job portal such as React.js with job portal app, 2 to 3 videos, then curl operation with React.js job portal, 2 to 3 videos, and merge stack using job portal with 2 to 3 videos. Today's video is really interesting and creative and innovative. Today's video is about job portal with React.js in different style with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So let us go through the execution part first. Yes, a nice screen is displayed in front of you. So available job, front-end developer. If you want more details here, salary is there, location is there, and it is from Google 2 days ago. Fine. Then here we can see, oh, salary is 28,000 per year. Hyderabad, it posted by Amazon, so I will shift to Amazon. Full stack developer, React.js, Node.js, MongoDB, Atlas. This is good. I will apply for the job. So full stack developer, your name Sanjay Mahajan, profession developer, experience 5 years, current country, current company Accenture, expected salary 50,000. Apply now. We can see here, thank you sir, thank you for submitting the application job. Now I will now here we can apply backend developer. Now yes, applied for full stack developer. Here we can also send messages. Yes, that's what I'm thinking. View job details, posted one, apply now, expected salary. We have applied for this job, full stack developer, and apply for contact us. Yes, we can contact. Yes, for full name, email ID, subject, currently working as full stack developer in Accenture. I am willing to work Steam organization. Waiting for yes, fine. Now I can send message, so message will fire. Below to here, fill of the form which direct directly to contact. So I successfully done with job portal in really different style for applying the job. So in my video, this is the first part is home page, display features and jobs and provide easy navigation. So that's why we have used the module React Router DOM. So keep watching my channel on YouTube, youtube.com. We will be back with more and more creative videos on React.js with employee management, with book management, with library management, with event management, with job portal, with hotel management and hospital management and blood group management and many more. So keep watching my channel for React.js, Node.js, Python. Thanks for watching.